Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is super late, but today I'm bringing you my bullet journal setup for March 2019. Well, there's a tons of excuse that I can give you guys why this month is late, because, well, February is very short and also it's my birthday month. I was on vacation, I was rarely at home on the weekends, so I didn't really have time to film. But now here it is. It's better late than never, right? This month my theme, it is cogs and gears. It's mostly like steampunk kind of theme, but I'm kind of focused on the cogs and gears. And now we're drawing the cover page. This page, it is so challenging to draw when you don't have a compass. Well, even if I have one, I'm probably too lazy to use one. So I figured, well, I'll just challenge myself, draw all the doodles freehand. Well, I think it turned out okay. I mean, it's not that horrible. I kind of experienced with like gold metallic watercolor I bought like 2 months ago. I still need to learn how to use it because the consistency is so much different than the normal watercolor. It dries so much faster, and also I'm a little scared to use watercolor on my scribble that matters because I don't think it holds up watercolor that well. But anyway. And now I'm just drawing some random dots, and I even splattered kind of the gold color on the page just to make it more kind of a little details. Sorry about the police siren outside of my window. And then I cut the edges like a Dutch door kind of design. I really do like this. And now I write the number 30 as the March. Fill it in with gold color. Just a random note, I really do like this gold color. I'll try to link it at the description down below because I don't remember, I don't know how to pronounce the brand, but it's a German brand. I will link it down below. It's really shiny and it dries really fast, so I really like it. Oh, by the way, the page that we passed by, the one that I already finished, it was my goals page and like next month kind of page. So that was that. And now we're on to my monthly calendar. I kind of draw like a flag thing and then a little gears around it. Very bold font on the flag. I kind of have a little twist on the font. I kind of draw like this little cogs and gears on the font. I think it's really cute. You will see it soon. And now I'm just shading, give it a little bit more dimension. So here you can see I'm using my white Jelly Roll and also my Muji pen, kind of draw the little details around the letters. This is probably my favorite part, like, of this bullet journal setup, like this font. I really do like it. And then at the bottom of the calendar, I draw like a couple of random cogs too. Next page, it is my empties tracker and what else? Expense tracker. Like I said a lot of times before, these two pages, my functional page. I don't really care if they looks good as long as they tied into the theme. I don't want to spend too much time on it. So I just draw like random cogs like spread out at the corners just to tie it in with the theme a little bit, and then I'm done with the page. Now we're on to my favorite page, which is the habit tracker and mood tracker. Habit tracker is my usual kind of individual calendar, and then mood tracker, I have this idea like all the cogs kind of hanging on the bar, and of course different cogs, different shape equals or means different mood. That's why I'm drawing like this little legend down there, and then I even draw the example. Because I'm scatterbrained, I have to come back and write down the dates on my calendar and then fill out the drop shadows. Don't know how could I forgot that, but here it is. Around the individual tracker like calendar, I drew these little gears like peekaboo, kind of looking outwards, looking outside. I think it's pretty cute. It tied in with all the theme together, but it's not like too much work to draw. And of course drop shadows, and then I also outline with all the gears that I draw because I think it's much more cartoony kind of looking. And then at the bottom of the page, I have this block of empty space. And I figured I can draw some doodles and also put a quote down there just to inspire me. And I actually found online there's a quote that kind of tied into steampunk, but also very inspiring. So it says, "Don't watch the clock, do what it does, keep going." I really do like this quote, and I put it down there. And next page, it is my video ideas. I usually don't need a lot of space to write down my video ideas because I don't post that often, so I don't feel the need that I need so much space to write down ideas. So I figured, okay, I can put video ideas on my left spread, and then the first 3 days of March, I put it on the right side, so I don't have to squeeze in the first 3 days with the second week. Is that too complicated? But you will see. And by the way, you just saw my first mistake. I write down Monday, but there's no Monday for the first week. I just cut it at like a new page from the back of my bullet journal, and then I write down Friday and glued it down there. I mean, you can still see it's a mistake, but I don't really care. So that's that. Finally, we're on to the last spread of March. Well, this is not the last spread, but this is the last spread of this video. I recently just decided I don't want to make my video like 1,000 years long, so I just make like one weekly spread and then that's it. So you can see I am drawing like a lot of circles. That's kind of like rough position of the cogs, and then the shape of it is kind of like a burst towards outside, and then it's really hard to explain but you can see like what I'm drawing here. Actually, my Tombow is about to dry out, but I kind of like this effect, so I just kept using this one. Well. And a little bit more black, a little more shading and detailing. Then we're done. I really like this gold. If I haven't said that, I really like this gold and black color combination, and I don't see a lot of people do like steampunk kind of style. I hope you guys like it. I'll see you next time. Bye!